Sound like a cow. Mm. Mm. As he mind is snoring, y'all, so when I turn it back around, y'all won't be saying I'm going to sleep. Nah, that's my wife. He said that's the dog. Damn, sound like a dog. Motherfucker dog tired.
Kids, nigga. I don't know what you nigga think it is, man. Like, nigga gonna take mine. Nigga, ain't no nigga taking nothing from me, man. And I know about it.
Why I take the goals out? Man. Shit, nigga.
Nigga, whatever happened in the past,
AirPod white.
Past, nigga. I can't do nothing about the past. I'm a businessman now. I ain't gonna talk about what happened in the past. But it ain't gonna be no fucking repeat, man. Nigga, you know what I'm saying? We ain't doing straight business. Shit business for me.
Damn, babe.
Nigga, I ain't gonna have money problems and I can fix it. That's what I got lawyers for. That's what I got accountants.
Come on, babe. You snoring, man.
Get right. Make sure it's all there. I don't have to deal with no nigga that I fuck with when it come to money, man. I'm gonna let my people deal with that shit. And I'm not looking to be friends with a nigga neither, bro. Nigga, I don't got no circle, I got a dot. I ain't trying to be no nigga friend, man. I got respect for niggas and that's it. Nigga, I ain't trying to be no nigga. I ain't nigga. That shit too expensive. Nigga, I don't buy no fucking friends, nigga. Y'all niggas crazy, man. They even think that way.
She gonna be right back, watch.
Nigga, I ain't trying to hang with no nigga. Trying to 43 to get the fuck out of the way. I ain't trying to act like I'm tough, hard, none of that shit. Nigga, I ain't got no perk to prove to no nigga, man. If that's what another nigga want to do, that's on them. I don't give a fuck about that, bro.
I fuck with
Matt.
Matt.
Ain't gonna tip me like I'm a bitch. Cause I ain't none of that neither.
Nola Street,
man,
what up?
Niggas got life and bullshit fucked up, man. Nigga ain't scared of nothing, bro. Respectfully, man. So, man, I just hope niggas stop telling these fucking lies, man. Trying to, impress people. Nigga, you can't make me look bad. You make yourself look real sad, bro. Saying the shit you saying out your mouth. That shit look bad, bro. It look bad, dog. I'm telling you, nigga, deal with niggas who got problems with you, nigga. Deal with the niggas who is disrespecting you, nigga. You say you don't bite your tongue? Fuck you talking about? Nigga, you the one acting like you scared. I gotta wait, nigga. If you ain't gonna have no picks and choosing, nigga don't have no picks and choosing. But don't try to fuck over the niggas that don't got nothing against you, homie. You trying to fuck over niggas that fuck with you. Man, that's a sign of weakness, homie. And a nigga ain't scared of you, no, just nigga not scared of you, dog. You know bitch, you know I ain't scared of you. So, man, stop trying to put on this fake-ass facade, bro. Like, come on, man. Come on, dog. Come on, man. Come on, dog. Bro, I feel no man, bro. For the record. For the fucking record, dog. So I hope a nigga don't think I'm a scary nigga, man. I hope a nigga don't think that.
Popping them goodies. Let me get that. Let me get that goodie, bitch. Yeah. I'ma bring New Orleans back, man. I get all these niggas. And let me tell y'all something. See, all these bitch ass podcasters and and bloggers and shit from New Orleans, from the city, who be on that divide to conquer shit. You know what I'm saying? Y'all stupid ass gonna be the nigga that gonna be left behind. Instead of y'all trying to bridge the gap, you pussy ass niggas be doing all that hoe ass shit, man. I got something for y'all. See, when everybody else getting they motherfucking, they flowers and shit, you pussy ass niggas who was trying to divide this shit, y'all gonna be on the motherfucking sideline, nigga, reporting like y'all motherfucking going to the principal office, nigga. Stay out of nigga business, man, with that whole ass shit y'all be on. Y'all nigga, I'm about to be on his side. I'm about to ride this side because everybody on this side, everybody over here, so everybody ain't over here. I don't know what you nigga think it is, nigga. But I guess this the way it's supposed to be, man. And that's why a lot of you suck ass nigga gonna be right where the fuck y'all at. Still in the motherfucking hood, nigga. Acting like a nigga owe you something. Stupid ass motherfuckers. All love, Nola Street. Nigga know I'm made, I'm focused on the money. Never thought nigga a trade, but that nigga done it. Like, if shit, I might as well talk about it. If niggas gonna act like I'm talking about some shit. But I can't change what happened in the past, nigga. That shit won't happen again. That's what I'm on. Nigga be trying to act like they innocent than a motherfucker, man. Nigga, I should be the motherfucker complaining, for real. But I'm a man, nigga. I accept my motherfucking lick. And I keep it pushing, nigga. The past is the past, nigga. Niggas acting like they, come on, man. You can't gaslight with me, man. Can't act like you ain't did some shit. Man, you know what? Let's go ahead, man.
I got to talk to you in love, homie. I got to respond to you in love, dog. Cause it'll go on and on. Like, you will really be thinking you doing right when you wrong as a motherfucking two left shoes, nigga. You wrong as a motherfucker.
Nigga, let me tell y'all something. See, it's like y'all not used to niggas controlling the narrative, talking real shit. Y'all used to niggas getting on these podcasts and being on fake ass gossip and shit. That's what y'all used to. Nigga, once y'all realize that nigga use social media as a tool of food, I'm one of the niggas that didn't figure out how to use this shit to tell my story, nigga. I'm one of the niggas that figured out this shit how to get elected, nigga. I studied Donald Trump, nigga, and realized how he controlled the narrative, nigga. See, motherfuckers will try to control the narrative for you if you don't know how to control that bitch for yourself. And that's what niggas be mad about. Niggas can't put no anything out on me and expect that shit to have some motherfucking confirmation on it. Cause I'ma come with receipts, nigga. So niggas ain't gonna believe none of that fake ass lies that niggas be trying to spread on niggas, man. Nigga, you can't beat me down in a motherfucking campaign, nigga. I'm campaigning for my motherfucking self, nigga. I bet on me, nigga. So if you don't like what's real, man, change the channel, man. That's what you nigga need to do. Nigga, I talk that real shit, nigga. So this the new rap, nigga. If y'all don't understand it, nigga, this ain't for y'all, nigga. Change the channel, nigga. Don't come to no real nigga page talking about what I need to be doing, nigga. Get your motherfucking ass off the motherfucking channel, nigga. That's what you need to do. Y'all nigga got life and bullshit fucked up, nigga. You can't just tell no nigga no any motherfucking thing, man. Go talk to y'all bitches or something, man. Now, what's wrong with you sucker ass niggas, man?
That I tell you, if you was any other nigga, it'll be up and stuck. I don't hate you, nigga. I'm very disappointed, though. But I forgive you. I forgive you, dog. Because you don't know better right now. Your mind fucked up, dog. You need a real deliverance, bro. In your mind, dog. And I ain't saying this to be funny. You need a renewing of your mind, dog. some of the shit you saying out your mouth. Nigga, lies, nigga. All because you think I try to hurt you with words that ain't even words, nigga. Stop putting a jacket talking about I call you a rat. Deal with the niggas who calling you rat, bro.
That ain't me snoring. That's my wife snoring.
Deal with the niggas who calling you a rat, man. Address that shit with the niggas who calling you a rat, bro. That's what the world wanna see. The world don't wanna see you try to act like I did some shit. Cause the world know what I did. And you try to discredit it, but you can't. Cause it was done from the heart, homie. I ain't have to do a motherfucking thing. I ain't have to, nigga, I could have been doing what I was doing like I'm doing it now. Y'all go to my YouTube channel on Instagram, Original Hotboy Turk. If y'all want to continue on seeing what's going on, I'm on YouTube doing this reaction. So, you know, it be a bunch of niggas who don't like Turk, who be egging this man on, dog. Feeding them lies and feeding them all kind of, and they gonna be the first niggas they gonna turn their back on him soon when he do something or don't do something for him. Mark my word. Man, you deserve me.
Come on, babe.
Energy right now, but because of the love I got for you, I'm not gonna do it.
You
I
snoring
sit in the
loud.
bathroom on the toilet like, nah, I ain't gonna do it. Nah, I ain't gonna do it. Nah, I ain't gonna do it. I had to talk myself out of it because of the love I know I got. See, it's a difference when you know you got love for a motherfucker, man. Yeah, you have all kind of thoughts in your head. Cause a nigga human. But I suppress that shit. Cause a nigga really got love for you. Nigga, you niggas be acting like I'm a real enemy. Like you niggas been had this shit in y'all. And now is the time to just be envious. Well, nigga, every last one of y'all that made a diss, nigga, y'all need to make diss records. Nigga just don't pull that shit up. And then if a nigga pull it up, you know what y'all gonna say? Oh, that's old. Okay, why it can't be old for Turk, nigga? What's so different from the shit that I said, which wasn't shit, compared to what everybody else said, nigga? Everybody that dissed each other. And nigga probably had every right to feel how the fucking way they felt. Man, nigga gotta stop faking this shit, dog. Nigga gotta stop faking like niggas so innocent. Cause everything that nigga ever did is all online, bro. All that shit online. I'm just not the nigga that entertain that shit. If I wanted to do, nigga, I could pull all that shit up and put all that shit in y'all face to remind y'all. You know they call me the receipt king, but I don't be having time for that negative ass shit. I can pull up all that shit if I want, and bam, and have a nigga where they can't even say a fucking thing. Cause I know all
Babe.
that internet shit, dog.
Go get in the bed, man.
Y'all niggas be letting this shit get to y'all, dog. These people
You
be
all you
constantly
snoring.
pacing in line. They make money off it. So I ain't about to keep on.
And it's
fighting
getting
a
on my
lie that
nerves,
niggas believe
too.
When a nigga should know better to believe that shit.
That's why I keep waking
Nigga
you
can't
up.
come to me and say my nigga say this or say that without me. Damn, he said that. Man, nah, he ain't. Nigga.
Yeah, they hear you. Everybody hear you. They laughing. Say you sound like a damn dog.
Other people saying, nah, that ain't BG. That ain't him.
They say, damn, who dog snoring?
I know him, that ain't him. And then nigga, you just start coming out being bold and just saying all kind of girly ass shit.
Somebody say drink some ginger.
So the whole while, nigga, that's how you been feeling. This shit fake. Nigga, I put that
I guess it stop you from snoring.
You will be doing the shit that you doing.
Well, I want you to damn stop.
That you saying, dog, when you know what it was, nigga.
Cause that shit is aggravating when you woke and you could hear it.
Like this, nigga, what else you would do?
I'm talking about it getting on my nerves.
Nigga, you the one sour.
But it's different when we in the bed and they got the fans on. I can hear that shit too clear.
I never spoke publicly, nigga. And when I say I never spoke publicly, meaning that Bro, it's a lot of shit that I can speak on, dog, and bring it up and make niggas look bad, like niggas be trying to make me look bad, because it's facts, nigga. It's a lot of shit out there that y'all niggas done said and did, bro, against each other. But niggas always try to justify. I ain't no
Some
fucking
honey
justifying
lemon
nothing
tea.
that was wrong, nigga. If you did that, you did that. Now how a nigga move with that, nigga move with that. But don't try to make it like, nigga, I did you nigga something. All you nigga did something. Nigga, y'all done did shit towards me that was fucked up. And if we ever had the conversation and sat down, nigga, I'm man enough to bring it in you niggas' face. Man, look, I ain't appreciate when this, I ain't appreciate when that. That's the type of nigga I am. That's why I don't get on no fucking interviews and talk, nigga. Nigga, I don't even do interview like that. That shit I did with Drink Champ, nigga, that wasn't nothing compared to what the fuck I can say, dog. With receipts. If that's what I was on. If I was on that negative shit, I could be making plenty of money doing that fake ass shit, nigga. I don't do none of that clout chasing ass shit, dog. Nigga, I tame it down, nigga. I be trying to think, well, if this gonna offend a nigga, well, I ain't gonna talk about that then, man, cause nigga probably don't want that story out. Nigga, that shit old 15, 20 years ago ass story, bro. As long as you ain't getting incriminated, nigga, it ain't messing with your money, that's what niggas do. Then when you niggas go to telling stories, I be like, damn, nigga, you doing the same shit that you acting like you mad at me about. You doing the same shit that you acting like you mad at me about. Nigga get mad about filming. Bro, you filming like a motherfucker. You doing the same shit that I do. Maybe more. Because I don't show my locations and all that. I know better to do all that. Man, you doing worse than me with that camera, bro. You all on the stage at the Essence Fest, man. 2 Chainz performing, you filming him like a motherfucker. But nigga talking about me filming. Come on, man. This is the world that we living in now. Nigga know what not to film on a nigga and get a nigga fucked off. Man, y'all stop building cases on me, bro. Like, I get tired of nigga building a motherfucking case and trying to act like they straight. Like, man,
Alright, yeah.
man. Cause like I say, man, if I wanted to just sit down, bro, I could get on my...
Huh? Nah. I'm tired of watching this shit holding my arm. They got about 30 more minutes. Y'all could go watch the rest of that shit yourself. But, you know, I put that shit up there, man. Just, you know, for some content, bitch. I'm about to monetize it and everything. So they gonna monetize. And for motherfuckers who want clarity, there you go. That's my rebuttal right there. Some real shit. You heard me? That's my rebuttal right there. You expect a nigga not to say shit? I could have not said nothing. But, you know, nah. I do podcasting and shit. So, that's some content. I might as well use it. Other niggas gonna try to lie and use it. Let me use it for my fucking self. Let me get on this bitch and tell my truth. And doing nothing but blogging my life. That's all podcasting is.